One of the hardest parts of implementing any system is knowing if you're doing it right. Now, certainly, you may be paying a partner or a consultant to help you with this, but even they can make mistakes. So wouldn't it be nice if you could get an audit or a report on your Odoo system that would give you a grade and let you know how you're doing? Maybe something that looks a lot like this, right? I mean, it gives you a grade, A to F, and it breaks down the grade into different areas so you know what to focus on. I mean, that would be pretty great, right? So yeah, this product does exist, so let's go ahead and dive into it because it is pretty awesome. So as you saw before, this goes into all the different areas in your system and breaks them down and gives them a score based on different criteria. The aggregation of all these scores based on a bunch of different tests gives you your grade. Now, like I said, that grade is based on tests in each of these different areas. So if we go ahead and scroll down, we start to see a bit more detail on why we have the score that we have. Now, some of these tests are just informational, but a lot of them, because the company really wants you to be able to get an A, have fixes that you can go ahead and apply. So the idea behind this tool is not just to criticize you, to say, hey, you're failing, good luck with it. It provides a way for you to be better and improve your system so that you can get to that A score. And that is super impressive because really this goes into great detail in many different areas. I mean, just scrolling down through, you can see it looks at our scheduled activities. Are they just sitting there doing nothing? Do we have any failed outgoing emails? Do we have some different installed apps that we should mess around with? Inside of here, do we have archived assignees, people that were supposed to do activities and aren't going to be able to anymore because they're archived? There is a bunch of stuff here to keep us clean throughout our system. And all of this is available right on your home screen, no matter what version of Odoo you're in. You can have this app right here. You click into health checks and you got all this information and it's super actionable right here. See? Pretty awesome. So yeah, you probably want this thing. But what does it take to get it? Now, because Olaunch, the guys that make this, and they make many awesome tools, are all about making it easier for partners to provide you good value, you normally have to set up with this through a partner. So if you're with a partner, you're going to want to ask them to get this for you. But if you're like a lot of people on my channel where you're trying to do this yourself, there is another way to get this. And that's through me. I'm not a partner really, and I'm not going to try and make myself sticky, but I do want you to be able to have access to this tool. So I talked to Olaunch, and they're willing to let me have you guys sign up under me if you'd like to. So if you want to sign up, head on over to odooityourself.com and click on the health check plans. I've got different options here. One where it's just basic. You just get the tool. You don't have to deal with me at all other than just the setup. Essential is going to be $300 a month with 1 monthly meeting so we can kind of go over the results and make sure that you understand how to fix them. And then premium, where you have 2 hours with me and we can go over the results then and make sure that you're looking good. So that's about it for this tool, guys. Hope it's a great value for you. I honestly think a lot of people could use this. So if you have any questions or comments, drop them below, and I'll look forward to hearing from you again soon. Thanks.